the reason why I have so many, the reason why I do so much is because I love doing it.
What in the world?
I'm not getting paid to do it. So don't get caught up into, when you start doing it, don't get caught up into the followers and the subscribers and how many likes you get and all of that stuff. You just ignore that and just document it because you love doing it. Everything else gonna come with time. You already know that. It take time and take patience. For the same dedication you got for football, you're gonna have it for basketball, you're gonna have it for studying, you're gonna have it for documenting, and then you understand about building relationships too. So now you know me, you know this coach, you know that coach, and now you get the blueprint of success. That's what it takes, is to have this discipline and have this and creating stuff and being just being focused on what you're doing. It takes some time. So I've been doing this since I was like 20. I'm 48.